que te gusta.
Well, this is a long way from Detroit where they slap the stuff together so friggin' quickly.
You know, I've had people ask me, how much are these trucks? What do they cost? And I can't give you a good figure, but a close figure. One of our custom-built pumpers, without a lot of fancy stuff, about $230,000. Some people say, how can they justify that? Very easily. How can they justify $46,000, $47,000 for a Lincoln Town Car? All you do is ride it when you buy one. Now here's one going up into Canada.
This one?
Yeah. Look at the it's got industrial pumper. Look at the overhang on the back of the cab. Mm-hmm. Your pump panel and everything's going to all be up inside.
Oh, great.
Operator will be up in on it where it's warm, where it's cool, dry. And that'll be an industrial pump.
Carros para tener los controles adentro de la cabina, etc. Y todos estos están aquí esperando que vengan los clientes a darle el punto bueno antes de seguir.
What was it?
That one's going to Pennsylvania. King of Prussia.
King of Prussia? Oh yeah.
King of Prussia, Upper Marion County.
Yeah.
Did you do a lot from 9/11? Did they send a lot of trucks up there?
No, New York City does not buy trucks from us. But what we did, we donated. Their headquarters up in Minneapolis, St. Paul. And then those black ones down there are Hale. Their headquarters now is here in Ocala. It used to be up near Philadelphia. About 85% of the pumps we put out are the Hale pump, and the rest are pretty much water. Now that company's been around since back in the 1890s, back when they had horse-drawn wagons. We never had a water problem here until they fixed it. Once they fixed it,
que nunca tuvieron un problema con el agua acá hasta que lo arreglaron.
See now those cabs were all painted and ready and brought back over here, waiting to be called in to be completed. Look at the different shades of red there.
Yep. Estas cabinas están listas para ser.
I told Tim that if you could do this before they name one of these things after you put your name on it.
Yeah.
You're going to pick out the truck you want.
Yeah, sure, publicity.
And if you're here long enough, they give you a place to park. Yeah? I call a little aerial equipment, ladder truck.
Esa es la parte donde hacen
Milling machine, anything that has to be precision.
Generalmente aquí hacen la parte de la escala.
Stabilizer system. So pins that go through those stabilizers, they got to fix that. There's a little spot there. You can put it on the top. It's got to be precision down here. And then down here they start to build the chassis.
Aquí hacen los techos a la cadena.
Mira, sí, no entiendo mucho, pero
Allá.
Then it was rolled with vinyl sanding and body kit. Over there, he's going to put a sheet on there now. We'll watch it.
me parece que son parejas.
First thing it'll do is probably, yeah, it'll drop one tool, and then it'll go pick up another.
Ah, cago.
handrails for the pumpers, tankers, rescue. See that little cab right there? That's going on the back end of the tiller. They're making a big comeback. They were getting to be a big cab. But and we use all diesel engines. These two engines here are Detroit diesel. That's that big 6-cylinder, Series 6. Anyway, they put them all together. They come in quite blank and everything has to be added to it. Now,
Claro.
Curtis trailer park. Then you came to the white versus stage.
Got a wagon.
Now that's a 95-foot platform.